Our product is online shopping product recommendation and textual feedback mining. In this first, in the product recommendation part,
we have made a synthetic database which we created synthetically, and then we have implemented k-means and naive bayes to get a list of possible recommendations for a customer based on their previous preferences as well as their constraints and their user constraints. So this code, run it.
in this, it is first classified as low, medium, or highly recommended. And after that, out of highly recommended, we have selected the top 5 which are most likely to be recommended using a view count as well as that is
Ratings.
score and number of times a person has viewed them as well as the ratings. After this,
These are the 5 list of 5 recommendations.
which is the final outcome for a user. After this, for layouts, we have implemented forms. Those are made in Visual Studio only. For example, this is a basic login form where username and password are required. If we write username like Mehak @yahoo.com and password, that would be, and I press login, then it shows that the user has logged in. Further, these forms connect to each other as well as for future work, we plan to implement this as web forms so that we can deploy them on an online website. In the other part, that is our feedback mining part, we in our feedback mining part, we plan to we first extracted the feedbacks that we have in XML. We had in XML files. Those feedbacks we extracted and put them in a database, MS Access database, which was this. First of all, we had ID, the post ID, the vote type ID in the comments, which were there in each post. After that, we have implemented a Soundix code, Soundix algorithm on it. In Soundix algorithm, we basically convert each and every word into a Soundix code so that we can check them and determine if there are typo errors or if the words belong to a certain category. Using that, we have entered the Soundix code developed from each one into yes or into this database, and on that we have classified the whether it's a yes, that is a good opinion, or a no, that is a bad opinion. So if using a database which we have created previously, we check the newly extracted comments from this database and determine whether the class will be yes or no. That's it for the future plan.